morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, how are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm great too. Thanks for asking me. Well, who's absent today?
I think Beata, Miss.
Oh, yeah. Okay. But others, the rest is already attending class. Alright. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, it is better for us to pray together. Pray. Start. Finish. Okay. How is it going, guys, about the college? Is it hard for you guys in this semester?
Yes, it's hard.
Do you receive any kind of medical literature in this semester?
Yes.
Oh, I see. And do you also see like maybe strength words in the medical literature?
A lot, Miss.
Oh, I see. So that's could be terminology, that I said.
Yes.
What if you guys don't understand the terminology in your reading? How do you feel? Is it affecting your understanding?
Yes.
It's confusing me.
Yeah, it's also understanding.
So it makes for Novella it makes her difficult to understand
Yes,
the
yes.
text. For Bita said that it's confusing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right, that's why. Because this is one of your needs, so we're going to learn about medical terminology. But before that, before talking about specifically to medical terminology, I would like to ask you, have you ever used these words?
Yes.
Well, what is teacher?
Teacher
is
someone
Oh, okay, someone who teach.
Someone who teach.
Okay, so what about I'm happy?
Tidak bahagia.
Not happy.
Yeah.
Bahagia, not happy. But do you guys realize that these words actually use imbuhan or prefix or suffix?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So Bita, alright, Bita, Rania, and Novella don't realize that it used imbuhan. But Wafa,
Yeah,
can you please explain us this one first?
teacher is from teach and earn.
Okay, so teach and her. What about the teach? Teach is like teaching or mengajar, and her if someone that do something, and this term is teaching. So teacher is someone who teaches. Yeah. So teach is the main word or core word. Teach and or is the suffix. Okay, we can see that is suffix that shows that teacher is someone who teach. Okay, what about unhappy? It's not happy, right?
Yes.
So happy is which one is the core word?
Happy.
Happy, and the un is the prefix. We call it prefix. Okay. So un shows that it explains the happy. So unhappy is not happy. All right. What about this one? Okay, this is correct. So unhappy. This is the prefix, and happy is the main word, and then teach or teach is the main word, and then or is the suffix. Okay. What about microscope? Do you guys usually use it in your class? Yeah, in the laboratory. Yeah, that's correct. So microscope is a tool that we usually use in your laboratory, right?
Yes.
But do you guys realize that this word, the name of this thing, is actually explains the function of it, like the micro and scope. So micro means tiny, small. Yeah. Scope is for seeing something. So microscope is a tool that used for seeing things that are small. That is. So it explains the use of it. Now, let's talk into the medical terms. So, as what I have explained earlier, there are three parts. The first one is prefix, and then the root or the main word, and lastly the suffix. Prefix usually in the beginning of the words, like unhappy. So, un is the prefix of unhappy, and then root is the main meaning or the core. For example, like happy and even teach, and the suffix is at the end of the word. For the suffix, for example, like in the teacher, is Now, let's move to the example of prefix in our field, which is in medical terms. So, you may already find these words in your medical literature, guys. Like A is for without or not, hyper is for the main word is like you already learned about anatomy, right? In the first semester,
Yes.
like you in part of your body, the name in the medical terms, like there. What is there?
Skin.
Neck,
Kidney.
stomach, mouth, and then hepatic.
Liver.
Yeah, osteo.
Oh.
Yeah, gastro. Okay, I guess you guys already remember and recognize these words, yeah, since the first semester, because you guys read it a lot. And the last one is suffix. For the suffix, here are the example. Like it is for inflammation, and then megaly,
Inflammation.
It's literally mega. So megaly is
Omega.
the oma, tumor, and then malacia,
Suffering.
and ulcers is abnormal condition. Well, there are so many other examples for the suffix, prefix, and root words, but here are the examples, just some of them, because in this meeting, I just want to introduce you guys to the concept of the terminology itself. So you may find it in the book that I will send later about this, the model, which contains of other examples of suffix, prefix, and even root. All right. So now what about if we make the terminology of this? And you guys arrange the terminology from a tumor affecting the liver. So what is the liver? And the tumor? So what is the terminology? Yeah, let's see whether you guys correct or no. Yay! And the next one, I think it's kinda too easy for you guys to make it in only using this word. So let's make it a longer one. A condition characterized by inflammation of the stomach lining. Patients with this case may experience stomach pain, nausea, or discomfort after eating. What is the keyword? Let's find the keyword first.
Inflammation.
Yeah, inflammation. What is the word of inflammation in medical terms? Can you guys remember? Or we can see. Okay, it is. Let's see. Yes. And then, what are the others? Keywords. Yes, stomach. What is stomach in the medical terms? Okay, gastro. So what is the answer for this disease?
Gastritis.
Yeah, let's see. Gastritis. Correct. Alright, after this, I would like to play a game to you guys so that we can remember the terminology more. So I have already provided you this flashcard. So I will divide it for two teams. So Novella will be with Bita and then Wafa with Rania. Here you are. Wait, let me just explain first. So the orange one is for the prefix. So you guys no need to take long time to find where is the prefix because it is on the orange card. And then for the white card is the root. Okay?
Yeah.
So the root is on the white card, and the last one is the, look at this. This is the yellow card, which is for the suffix. Okay? Here you go.
Let's go.
Can we start now?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see what is the clue. 3, 2, 1. Inflammation of the mouth. What is inflammation? And then the mouth. Yeah, you can go bingo, yeah. You can say bingo if you already have the answer. Okay, guys, if you already have the answer, you may say bingo.
Bingo means
Okay, the first group.
inflammation of the mouth.
It's common disease.
Okay, let's see whether it is correct or no.
Yay!
Yeah. So stomach is the main word or the root, and then it is the suffix. Okay. Stomach. What is the meaning of stomach?
Mouth.
It is
Inflammation.
So the inflammation in
Mouth.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now the next question, which is the last one. A tumor located inside the bone.
Bingo means
Okay, Rafa vitamin?
Inside.
Yeah, inside. And then Oste is
Bone.
And then Oma?
Tumor.
Can you guys please explain us which one is the root and then the prefix and suffix?
The root is Oste. Suffix is Oma. And the prefix is Eka.
Good job, please give a applause. So now let's move to our reading section, which I already provide you tags. Can we read it together or anyone who wants to volunteer?
Read it together.
Yeah.
Okay, boleh, yuk. Although the condition is currently stable, doctors emphasize regular monitoring. Early attention allows better planning for future treatment. So first question, what health issue is discussed in the text? Look at the keyword. Nephroma.
tumor.
Yeah, that's correct. And the second one is which word helps you infer the location of the problem?
Nephroma.
Yeah, that's correct. So this disease is talk about kidney tumor. Yeah, we can see from the terminology which is the nephroma. Okay, move to the second text. The report describes a case of dermatitis affecting daily comfort. The condition causes visible change on the body surface and becomes worse after exposure to certain substances. Proper care is needed to prevent further irritation. So what health issue is discussed in the text?
Skin problem.
And which clue?
Dermatitis.
Okay, dermatitis because we talk about
Dermatitis.
Okay, that's great. Alright, because we already did a great job in our learning session today. We already learned how to arrange the terminology by getting the description, and even we guess what is the disease based on the case, and we also guess the meaning of some terminology. And now it's going to be our end of the meeting. But first of all, I would like to give you guys the homework. So please scan this barcode. Okay, scan this barcode, and then you will see the homework that I gave to you. So the homework is you have to read some case, and then in that case you will see that there are literature or some case that you have to answer it, the terminology or even what is the disease about. Okay. And the theory is already in the file. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Alright, so this is the end of our learning session. What have we learned today? Technical terminology. What are the parts of the terminology? Okay, that's good, everyone. So now I hope that after this learning session, you guys, this lesson could help you guys in reading your medical literature. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming in today's lesson. Before we close our class, let's pray together. Okay, finish.